Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use a template in Filmora. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just look in the bottom of your screen and press on templates there. Now press on a template and press on use in the bottom of your right corner, and you will be able to use this template now. You can just press on generate, and after that you will be able to use it. Now for the generate option, you need to have a premium subscription, of course, so you should keep that in mind. If you want to use templates generally, you have to have that subscription, and if it is worth it to you, then you can subscribe to it, and it has a lot of benefits in this application, so it's probably worth it. Anyway, that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.